Today we received a package from AIDA. It's not ticking. We paid the world cruise that we're going to make, and this is why we are really curious to see what they sent us as a preparation for our world cruise. So today an unboxing video.
Yeah.
And this is the reason why my wife has a knife. The wife with a knife. Ah! Okay, go. So, by the way, it's 3 weeks until we will go on board. We are still working on organizing everything. Ta-da! Woohoo! With the logo. Nice.
And then
Unbox the box.
unbox the box. Hang on.
Ah, careful. Ta-da! So, okay, interesting.
I unbox the box.
You unbox the box. There's a box within the box.
There's a box in the box. It's
Okay.
a beautiful box.
Yeah, indeed. Drum roll. Ta-da! Yay! Enjoy the Vorfreude. Oh, that's nice.
That's nice. Ja, that's even more nice.
Rotwein. Red wine.
Ah.
Some red wine, some chocolate. Nice one.
Ha.
Is there anything else?
I don't think.
So we can prepare. Let's we have to get that on. All right.
It's more than one chocolate. No, it's
They know us. Ah. Spielend leicht die Welt entdecken. So
it's nice.
playfully discover the world. Oh, it's a card deck. That's nice.
Nice. Perfect.
So unbox the card deck, please.
Unbox the card deck.
So some chocolate and the card deck. Interesting. It's about the destinations. Okay, that's nice.
Entertainment.
Yeah. Easter Island. Gourmet restaurant. Okay.
Bewusste Ernährung.
Oh.
Healthy food.
Consciously eating too much.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Art gallery, the Walfish Bay. Oh, the analytical side of me says we still have to bring them in order. Okay, Buenos Aires, one of the earlier targets. Internet, yeah, we booked that. Entertainment. Pop
I
tour.
think they are the yellow ones are it doesn't fit together. Okay.
Destinations
I
we
did
thought.
it.
Okay, yeah. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, by the way, while we are playing through the deck, in 3 weeks we're going to go on board. You can continue. You can continue. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see how this work cruise looks like from very close. Machen wir nicht so schnell.
Okay.
Sydney. Okay, so is it all destinations or just some destinations?
I've not seen every day. No, I don't think
There-
because we started with Melbourne, didn't we?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, we started
okay.
with Melbourne, so it's not all of them.
Okay, and then let's have a look at the Rotwein, red wine. Edition AIDA. Okay, that's nice. And the logo. Woohoo! And some chocolate. Yeah. That's part of the preparation we're going to have to do. Lass mal. Jo. Voll gut.
Should I unbox the chocolate as well?
Of course, unbox the chocolate.
I unboxed the chocolate. Should we unbox the wine as well?
Shall I help you with the unboxed chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, lucky me. Thank you, AIDA, for the package. Woohoo!
Thank you, Ada.